What if I told you that you don't need a high salary to become a millionaire? In fact, you don't even need to work harder. You just need to understand one simple concept: compound interest. This is the same strategy used by millionaires and long-term investors. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. Welcome to Finance Explained, where we simplify money so you can build real wealth. If you want to learn how to save, invest, and grow your money the smart way, hit subscribe. Let's start with a simple question. Why do some people get rich slowly but surely? Compound interest is when your money earns interest, and then that interest earns more interest. In simple terms, you earn money on your money. Let's say you invest $1,000 at 10% per year. After 1 year, you have $1,100. But in year 2, you don't earn interest on $1,000. You earn it on $1,100. That's where the magic begins. Let's make it even easier. Imagine two people. Person A invests $1,000. Person B spends $1,000. After 10 years, Person A's money keeps growing, while Person B has nothing left. This is the difference between spending and investing. Let's take a real-world example. If you invest $500 every month in an index fund like the S&P 500 with an average return of 8%, after 10 years gives tilde $90,000. After 20 years gives tilde $300,000. After 30 years gives tilde $750,000 plus. And here's the crazy part. Most of that money comes from compound growth. Time is the most powerful factor in compounding. Let's compare. Start at age 20 and invest $200 a month, or start at age 30 and invest $200 a month. The person who starts at 20 ends up with almost double the money. Not because they invested more, but because they started earlier. Here's a simple trick called the rule of 72. Divide 72 by your interest rate. Example, 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years. Your money doubles every 9 years. This helps you understand how fast your money grows. Most people fail because of these mistakes. Starting too late, withdrawing money early, not investing consistently, or trying to get rich quick. Wealth is built slowly, not overnight. Here's how beginners can start. Open an investment account. Invest in index funds, set automatic monthly contributions, and stay consistent for years. You don't need to be an expert. Stop thinking short-term. Focus on long-term growth. Compound interest rewards patience. The secret to becoming rich isn't luck. It's time, consistency, and compound growth. Start today, even with a small amount. Like this video and subscribe for more finance tips. Comment compound if you're starting today. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice.